that time will till we discussed 7.0 features, right? So we'll check on 8.0. So this Android 8.0, it has like many features. So around 20 features it has. So that is Android 8.0. It has around 20 features. So in this, the first one will be here. That is the redesign of that settings. So whatever the design it has, that is completely it is redesigned settings. So like previously it was a little bit clumsy, but here it is created as a proper, like all the categories are in the same place, like network related in single place, and settings related in single place, security related single place, like that. The complete menu has updated here in this. So that is one. Next will be the file manager. So the file manager feature also from last two versions, we are able to see this file manager feature. So in this, the file manager feature is updated like folder wise. So based on the category, like the audio one folder, video one folder, like that, the folder wise is updated here in this. So that is the one here. Next could be here the battery saving background restriction. So battery will save like the background activity. Some of the like something going on a background related like WhatsApp, Facebook, Maps, etc. This while running in a background. So that battery has restricted that. So that has a restriction here. So that restrictions will be this. So that is restricted here. This. Next could be here that is a snooze individual notification. So let us say right now we are busy. We are in a class. Now I receive one notification. So in case if I receive another notification, that notification is important for me, but I cannot answer now. So just I can swipe left to right so that that notification will go on a snooze. Then after some time, we can save that notification. Means it will come after 15 minutes. Again, it will come as a no notification. So that is one benefit here. Next could be here, that is a fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, like because of the security reason, from this version onwards, the fingerprint made as a mandatory every manufacturer, like some manufacturer has kept. So that should be mandated from here. This next turn on. So that is turn on Wi-Fi automatically. So that is the see like based on location. So now I have Wi-Fi in my home as well as in my office. So only two areas we have that one. So then automatically this based on the location. So this will be only updated that based on the location. Remaining locations it cannot search. So while searching it consume little bit of battery and all, right. So that's the reason it will only work on only two areas. That is this. Next could be here. This is the picture-in-picture mode. So picture-in-picture mode. This majorly we will see in YouTube. So like even here also we can see this. This one is also picture-in-picture mode. So backend of window is there. On top of that, this is showing here. This means in a YouTube, like while I'm searching I'm watching one video, but I want to search that. So whatever the video is playing, that should come on the bottom of the page and it will continue playing. Then we can search remaining, like I can search until I play another video. This should be bottom, it should be right. So that is a picture-in-picture mode. That kind of feature we can enable here. Next will be the autofill framework. So the autofill framework. So this autofill framework would be here. This like in a browser. So regular some of the applications we will use. So there we will save, maybe there is a credit card, debit card, our name, like that, whatever the information we will save. So that kind of feature, it will be available in this. So that will be saved automatically, it will be saved that. So that is the one thing. Then next it could be here. So that is the rescue party. So like, for example, unexpectedly my mobile is crashing. So that in that reason, the OS itself, it will, while rebooting the mobile, the OS, if needed, some of the support is needed, some of the things which has to download on that operating system, that OS itself, it can download automatically those, and it will update us. So that will be one benefit from here. This. Next could be the notification channels. So this is one benefit for us. So like end user. So how like previously, when I receive the notifications, so like latest notification default, it will sit on the top. But here we can set up the prioritize. We can give the priority. So which one should come on the top, that you should define the priority. So based on the priority, that should come on the top. Like I give that WhatsApp as a first priority, then Facebook is the second priority. Based on my category, even though Facebook has the latest message, even though that should be sit on a second position, that prioritization we can give that. Next, to encourage the Bluetooth user, because day by day the Bluetooth users are increasing. So that's why Hi-Fi Bluetooth, like Bluetooth range has increased. That is, a Bluetooth range has increased this. And also the volume which is coming through Bluetooth, that quality has increased. Those two has done with this. Next could be the tab navigation, like how we will use in the tabs in our browsers. Similar, the Chrome, we can use in a multiple tabs in a Chrome browser. So that provision has introduced here. Next, in this one more related to Wi-Fi aware. So in case if while in a path, while I'm traveling somewhere, I got some open network. So in your settings, if you have already enabled that setting, like auto connect to open network, when that particular network will come, automatically that will connect to that particular network. So that is available in this. That is. Next one is the notification badges. So the notification badges is nothing but here, like this. This is the see 3D showing. Like whenever then any messages will come on top of that app icon, it shows that count, right? So that will be notification badges. So that is introduced in this version. The notification badges will be displayed on this here. Then next, so no more unknown resources. Previously, when we sent an so this Android application we will install through APK form. So that if you send that file normally in WhatsApp or Gmail something, so previously without asking the user permission, it can be installed. But now it cannot like that. So it cannot like that. So it should be with user permission only. It will be installed. Without user permission, apart from the official store, in case if any other party app it is trying to download, it will ask, it will warn you. So you want to install this really things like that. It will ask permission, then only it will install. So that permission should be at this. Next, sticky notes. So how we can manage the sticky notes in our laptops? So similar way, you can enable here sticky notes, that we can enable here this. Next, new emojis. So here we can enable the emojis also. We can enable if you want, like a lot of emojis we have, right? So because nowadays the people are dependent on a lot of emojis, instead of sending the normal, that it should be emojis will send, right? So that kind of things it will be sent. So that is the emojis will send this. So these all are the features in 8.0. Then we will see Android 9.0 features. So in Android 9.0, like it has around 8 to 10 features, I think it is. So first one in this is the gesture navigation. So gesture navigation means like, see, as of now in mobile, there is a bottom. So we have one home button, one back button, one other like reset tab button, right? So that we can handle now in the latest mobiles, we can handle that through You check a touch. If you touch left side, if you touch right side, like that will be here, right? So that gets a navigation as introduced in this. This is here. Next is the adaptive battery and brightness. So this is like related to the battery. So then it is a feature we can say has that it is a deep sleep. So when I set my sleep time from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m., let us say, like in case if I set like that, so it will consume more and more. Normally, previously it will consume more data. Normally, previously as a device, but if it is, you can set that time. On that time, it will reduce automatically the brightness, volume, and everything. It will reduce and it will consume less battery on that time. So that is a one advantage. See this. Next is the app actions. So this app actions is a one of the interesting this, so that we can we may use on our applications also. Like see, based on this daily morning 8 a.m. Let us say I'm traveling to office. I'll book the cab every day that time. So this app actions, if you enable this in your application, so it will open that particular time every day. That time, if you can open regular activity, so while you unlock that, it will suggest that application on a primary, like recent app, it will come automatically on a recent app. So that is a one option here. The next is the sizes. This is a one more step forward to the previous one. So this will be here like it will not only open that, it will open the app and it will check that in case if it is a cab application. So it will check up the source and destination. Then it is waiting for that your next step to approve that. So that it will be one advantage in this. Yes. Next it is the digital well-being. So the digital well-being is nothing but here. This is like so which application, how many notifications you are sending from what application, and how much time you're spending on each application. That kind of stats it will give that completely here. Just like you are spending this from last week and the last 7 days, last 10 days, like this, you have spent WhatsApp 2 hours, Facebook 3 hours, like that. It will give that complete, and how much data consumed for that particular app, like that. It will give in detail that. Next is the new screenshot. So screenshot previously to put the screenshot is little difficult, but now that power button volume down, previously power button volume down, it will be a screenshot. But now automatically you can take that screenshot easily, like just power button, then it should come there with a menu to take the screenshot. So from there you can take the screenshot. And even though screen rotation also, so you can easily rotate the screen. That rotation also, it made has a easy pick compared to the previous. It one like it is added in a quick settings or in a power button. Some of the mobiles it is added, so easily we can control from there. Next is the dark mode. So user can select the dark mode and light mode. So this is a selectable dark mode, selectable dark mode. So user can select that dark mode or normal mode. User can select that. And more notification information. So more information for notifications. Like let us say I have received 5 notifications from 2 persons. So previously it will give 5 notifications, but now it will give 5 notifications, like first one contacts, latest message, hello, second message, latest contacts, something like it will display that kind of thing. So that is the more information on the notification. So these are the features in this version, that is the Android 9.6, right? So in Android 10.0, so in this Android 10.0, now like here it is first one is the dark mode. So previously it is a selectable dark mode, right? Now that some of the advanced features added in this dark mode. So this dark mode, like you can set up dark mode for your respective app, like that. It can be when it means app level also. We can previously it was an entire screen. Now that app level also we can able to do that. So like while development, we have to add the dark mode and normal mode, that both we can enable on this. Next could be the smart reply for all notification apps. So here now we can able to reply without opening the complete application. If I receive one notification from there without opening the full application, from there we will reply to the all notifications we reply. Then next is the a better sharing menu. So a better sharing menu, like it is like once I click one icon, so then we can click on the share. So once that we can share, so immediately it will like it will show that option. What is which application means through which source you shared recently, that should come on the top. Like the last time I shared document through WhatsApp, the WhatsApp will come on the first. Then after that, one more, or like Gmail, that Gmail will be second place. For Facebook, that will be third place. Like that, it will come. So that is one thing here. Next could be here. This is the focus mode. So this focus mode is the advanced version for the digital well-being. So previously, just it was showing the stats. Now it is showing the graphical representation for that stats. Right. Next in this version. So image depth format, image depth. So lot of people are using this mobiles nowadays. Lot of things are doing. They are uploading the apps and they are doing something like image editing and everything they are doing through mobile, right? So for that, without losing the pixelate, how that what's like Figma and Photoshop. So these tools, how it will support. So that kind of support will be available from this. So that is introduced in this. Next could be the overheld permissions. See, this overheld permissions is nothing but it is previously these permissions like we can if I want to enable runtime permissions, like 10 runtime permissions, if you want to enable, so that we before that we that is 10 times user has to click one by one. But now it is not like that. Simply by clicking the one time, we can enable all the permissions, and a single time we can enable all the permissions. Next could be here that Wi-Fi sharing via QR code. So instead of entering the password and all by QR code, we can send the password. That kind of thing you can do this. Next in this securities from the Play Store. Like previously, uploading the app into the Play Store is simple, but now the uploading into Play Store here, this is a lot of things. So a lot of securities as added in this. So a lot of securities is required for the Play Store side. So that if you want to upload that app into the Play Store, it should be a lot of things. If you give proper information, it is means it is what completely it is deleting your application. Like a lot of things it is happening that. So that is one thing. Next is the bet and overheat. Bet and overheat USB warning. Let us say I connected my mobile, so the charging 100% charging has done. It will give warning 100% has done, and it cannot pass the current to the particular this. So that kind of alarm this will hear this. So in this version, so these all are like here. So and Android 11. So in the Android 11 also like 5 to 6 features as there. First one here in this. So first it is the built-in screen recording. So it has like previously, if you want to record a video screen recording, you have to depend on a third party. Now it is not like that. So it is coming as a built-in screen recording. It is coming. Next is a new conversation tab. So let us say I want to chat you regularly regarding some project discussion or something. So that kind of conversation tab, separate tab I can create for you. So that kind of things it is available in this. Next, smart home control. So we can control the devices in the home. whatever you want, like it easily can control that. Next is the prediction tools. So based on your usage, the prediction tools will be updated here. So that is the prediction tools. So based on your usage and also the prediction tools will be updated, like based on your usage, it will give like how much time your battery will, and how many like battery cycles will complete it, like that. Some kind of analytics it can provide that. Next is the lot of securities added from the security and privacy. So like which application you gave the permission, what permissions you gave, and if you want at any stage, you can cancel that permission. So that kind of things it will be available in this version. So in this version, only these are the features we have this. Right. Next year, like we have 3 more versions. So those are the 12, 13, and 14. So, but before that, you have to do one thing, like have you installed Android Studio or not? Venkat,
I'm sorry, sir. Yeah, can you repeat?
have you installed Android Studio or no?
No, sir. No. No, this is I'm second class only, sir.
Yeah. I'll do one thing here now. So there's
Android Studio, sir, is it?
yes, Android
Okay.
Studio. Just you can search here Android Studio download. So this is the one you can open directly here.
Very first one. Okay.
Yeah. So it will guide you, means it will based on your system automatically the suitable version will become here automatically by clicking here now.
Okay.
So just you can accept here.
Okay.
Accept, and you can download it automatically. It will download. So
Mine
once
is Windows.
yeah, Windows related it will come automatically, so that you can download from there. Once it is downloaded now, then I'll give you one easy like reference video. So you try to install. So if you stuck somewhere, I'll explain you there, because it's a normal process, like next, that mostly it will close that activity. So that's why I'm giving this. So why I'm suggesting this means, like there are 3 more version features as there, but already some of the people has already paid for them. Just I explained 1 or 2 programs also, and because of less count, just we rescheduled on Wednesday till like Wednesday. So just whatever the theoretical programs as there now, from Monday, like first half an hour, I'll take the programmatical session. So 8:30 to 9, whatever the theoretical topics is pending for us, right? So that I'll take in the next few days. Once that is level, then we can continue 1 hour session exactly. Now I'll give you that installation video. Some video it is available here. I'll give you. Just you can follow that video. Mostly you won't get any issue.
Which version, sir? This we are going to develop Android.
Android 14.
Android 14 only, right?
Yes. No need to select the version automatically.
Right.
While installation studio now, whatever the latest version is available, that version related SDK will download automatically.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Can you share with me this URL?
Yeah. I'm sharing both URLs. I'll share you just a minute here.
Okay.
You are from Hyderabad only, right?
Yes.
Oh.
That is what I'm looking, sir. This batch will continue, or, based on the members, it may
No,
stop.
it will continue. Already see some. So 2 to 3 members has already they paid. Okay, they paid already. So because of the less count, just we schedule that. So on that, you and other person is there. No, one more person.
Okay. Just I want to continue
Yes.
this. But if somebody is sometimes it changes, right? That could be a problem for me. I
No, no,
cannot. Yeah.
it's already scheduled. From Monday, we'll spend exactly like for your case. So what we will do now, maybe that other person will miss this features, and that's why just I'm stopping today here. So you do this installation part. So Monday first up, just I'll show that how to create a project and how to do that. The basic programmatical session will start on Monday. First half an hour, then next half an hour, what is the theoretical topic is pending, that we will continue on that continuation.
Okay, okay, sir. Anyway, you are going to share the videos, right? Down the line?
Yes, yes.
And that
See,
would be helpful for me. Yep.
yeah, you can see here now. See this reference video, this two combination of this, you can close that process.
Okay, sure. Definitely. I'll do it by Monday.
Sure. Okay. Okay, then we will meet on Monday.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Thank you.